Financial and economic indicators show that China's economy and its currency, the renminbi, are playing a rising role in international payments, a senior financing expert has said.
As Chinese economy is increasing its share in the world in different aspects, the currency, the RMB, the yuan, also becomes an important factor and important player benefiting from this as well.
The RMB is one of the top 5 currencies under the SWIFT, a global provider of financial messaging services. With its position growing in international payments, Bokugos said that RMB solutions will become an alternative to widely used currencies and cryptocurrencies.
In the future, we expect to see more liberated capital accounts and open financial markets to its convertibility of RMB and its availability to the foreigners as well. I mean, by doing so, financial system will provide more depth, more liquidity when needed.
According to Bokugos, investors in emerging markets are promoting the usage of the Chinese currency in the global payment system.